So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions of chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. This is the second round, and all these questions I have taken from my question bank. So let us start with the first question. In triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OP is equals to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equals to 1 centimeter. Then the value of sin Q is dash. So एक रफ फिगर बना लेते हैं हम लोग. OPQ, triangle OPQ, and right angled at P. So this is P. And what is given here? PQ is given, OP is given 7 centimeter, and OQ minus PQ is given 1 centimeter. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? PQ को x ले लेंगे, ठीक है? So if you shift minus x to this side, it will become x plus 1. So OQ हो जाएगा x plus 1. This is clear?
Yes.
Now we will use Pythagoras theorem to get the value of x. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूँ OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square, that is x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square will be x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 7 square, that is 49, plus x square. So in the next step what we can do, x square we can eliminate. ये दोनों को हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं एंड शिफ्ट +1 टू दिस साइड, it will become -1. So finally what we are getting, 2x is equals to 48 only. ठीक है, तो x कितना हो जाएगा?
24.
Right, so this is 24 and OQ will be 25. Right, so now we have to find sin Q. So sin Q is opposite upon hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side of angle Q?
7 OP.
OP, right. So the answer is 7 upon 25, and the correct option is option A, right? Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 2. If sin A is equals to 24 upon 25, then the value of cos A is dash. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We have two method. Either we can use direct identity method or we can use triangle method. तो 1 मिनट identity method से हम लोग कर लेते हैं. The formula is root over cos A is root over 1 minus sin square A, right? So 1 minus sin square A. So 24 upon 25 whole square. So it will be 576 upon 625. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
और इसका अंडर रूट लेना है. तो if you take LCM, so what you will get, 49 upon 625. So what is the square root of 49 upon 625?
7 upon 25.
Right, 7 upon 25. So option A is the correct answer. Right, so now we are moving toward question number 3. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. तो एक रफ फिगर बना लेते हैं. Right angled at B. So ये B है, this is B, and this is A, and this is C, right? And angle ACB is given 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, okay? मैंने लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. And AB is 5 centimeter, right? Then the length of the side BC. So with respect to angle C, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So which trigonometric ratio we have to use?
Tan theta.
Right, tan theta. Yes, tan theta or cot theta. So we are using tan theta here, tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3? Right. And this is equals to 5 upon BC. 5 upon BC. So if you do cross multiplication, what you will get? BC is equals to what?
5
root 3. So the correct option is A.
Option.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 4. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, and AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. Same question, but now we have to find AC. So AC यहाँ पर hypotenuse है and opposite side is given. So which trigonometric ratio is connected with related with opposite and hypotenuse?
Sin theta.
Right, sin theta and cosec theta. So but we will use sin theta. So what is sin 30 degree? 1 by 2, right? Sin 30 degree is equals to 1 by 2, that is opposite upon hypotenuse. Now if you cross multiply, what you will get?
is equal to 10 centimeter.
Right, AC is equals to 10 centimeters. So correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 5. The value of 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is dash. So what we are going to do, we are going to substitute the value of tan 30 degree. What is the value of tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Right, so 1 upon root 3 यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे हम लोग. Upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 1 upon 3 it will become. What is 1 plus 1 upon 3?
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
4 by 3, right. और उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 3 by 4, right. 3 by 4. 4 जो है वो 2 से हम लोग कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. So we are getting 2 and 3 we can cancel it by root 3. So we are getting root 3. So root 3 by 2 is equal to which value? Which Sine 60 degree, right. The correct option is sine 60 degree. Now we are moving toward question number 6. The value of 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus 45 degree. So the value of 45 degree is 1. So 1 square 1 हो जाएगा. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1. So this is equals to 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 is equals to what?
0.
0. So option D is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The value of 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree is dash. So just now we have seen tan 30 degree 1 by root 3 होता है और tan square 30 degree 1 upon 3 हो जाएगा. So 1 minus 1 upon 3 कितना होगा?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. So उसका reciprocal हो जाएगा 3 by 2. So here 2 will be cancelled and 3 we can cancel it by root 3. So we are getting only root 3. So which value is equals to root 3?
Tan 60 degree.
Very good, tan 60 degree. Now we are moving toward 8th question. So 9 sec square a minus tan square a is equals to dash. So what we will do, we will take 9 common. If you take 9 common, so what you are going to get? 9 into sec square a minus tan square a. What is the value of sec square a minus tan square a?
1.
1. So 9 into 1 हो जाएगा 9. So which is the correct option? Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. 1 plus tan a plus sec a into 1 plus cot a minus cosec a is equals to dash. So what we will do, we will write tan and sec, cot, cosec in terms of sine and cos. So tan theta, how will you write?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Right, sine theta by cos theta. So sine a upon cos a and sec a को कैसे लिखेंगे?
1 by cos theta.
Right, 1 upon cos a. After that we have to take LCM, right? Similarly here also we will write cot to sine cos form. So it is equals to cos yes, cos a upon sine a. Right, and cosec a कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 upon sine a, right. Now we will take LCM in both the expression. So ये हो जाएगा cos a plus sine a minus 1, right, upon cos a. And the next one we will get sine a plus cos a minus.
Sir, it is
it is
plus
plus
1.
1, right? It is plus 1. Sine a cos a minus 1 upon sine a. Okay, now see in the numerator, if you take this as a first expression, इसको अगर फर्स्ट टर्म लोगे पूरा का पूरा, तो it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? So what we are going to get, cos a plus sin a whole square minus 1, right? And cos a plus sin a whole square हो जाएगा, डायरेक्ट में लिख रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है, sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1 upon sin A cos A, right? और what is the value of sin square A cos square A?
1.
1. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों एलिमिनेट कर देंगे इसी में, क्योंकि दिस इज एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन, सो नो नीड टू डू फुल स्टेप्स. और ये sin A cos A नेक्स्ट स्टेप में कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 2, right? So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right? Now we are moving toward question number 10. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equals to dash. So sec A को हम लोग लिखेंगे 1 upon cos A, and tan A we can write sin A upon cos A. So after taking LCM, what we are going to get 1 plus sin A upon cos A, 1 plus sin A upon cos A into 1 minus cos A, sin A. Now what is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A?
1 minus sin square.
Right. And what you can write 1 minus sin square A?
Cos square A.
Right. So मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूँ cos square A upon cos A. So एक cos A cancel हो जाएगा, and what you will get final answer? Cos A. Right. So the correct option is option D. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 11. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equals to dash. So what we will do, cot square A को हम लोग 1 upon tan A के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. So ये हो जाएगा 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus 1 upon tan square A. So after that you have to take LCM in the denominator, right? So LCM ले रहा हूँ मैं, 1 plus tan square A अपॉन, ये हो जाएगा tan square A अपॉन tan square, ठीक है? tan square A plus 1 अपॉन tan square A. So tan square A ऊपर आ जाएगा, right? tan square A ऊपर आ जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा, this two will be cancel, and we are getting only tan square A. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right? Now we are moving toward the next question. If triangle ABC is a right angled at C, then the value of cos of A plus B. So ध्यान से देखो, एक रफ फिगर मैं बना रहा हूँ, and see this is C and this is A and B. So what is the sum of these two angles?
90
degrees.
90 degree, right? So cos 90 कितना होता है? What is the value of cos 90?
0.
0. Right. So correct option is A. Now we are moving toward question number 13. Cos A is equals to 24 by 25. Then the value of sin A. Just now we did second question हम लोग किए थे. Sin A दिया हुआ था 24 upon 25 और उसमें cos A निकाले थे. So 1 minus 24 by 25 whole square हो जाएगा. So उसमें कितना आंसर मिला था हम लोग को?
7.
राइट, ठीक है. अभी मान लो फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है और मैं इसको ट्रायंगल वाले मेथड से करना चाहता हूँ. सो ध्यान से देखो, ये A है और B, राइट एंगल B ले रहा हूँ मैं, और ये C, एंड हियर cos is 24 by, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. So you have to remember some triplets, 5, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5 और 24, 7, 25. तो ये वाला 7 हो जाएगा. Immediately you can write 7 without using any formula, without using Pythagoras theorem, you can write directly. And 7 upon 25 is sin A. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक. अगर ट्रिपलेट्स बहुत सारे याद हैं, 6, 8 का 10 होता है. So you can do directly also. Now we are moving toward question number 14. If triangle ABC is right angled at B, is similar हो गया, then the value of cos of A plus C is equals to, चलो मैं इसको चेंज कर दे रहा हूँ, what is the value of sin of A plus C. So अगर B 90 डिग्री होगा, तो what is the sum of A plus C?
90 degrees.
90. What is sin 90? 1, right? So the correct option is B. अगर cos रहता तो 0 आता, that is option A. अभी जस्ट किए थे, लेकिन उसमें एंगल दूसरा दिया हुआ था, right? So now we are moving toward question number 15. If tan A is equals to 4 by 3, then the value of cos A. So just now I told you that you have to remember some ट्रिपलेट्स। तो ध्यान से देखो, मैं वही ट्रिपलेट्स का यूज कर रहा हूँ। ए इसको ले रहे हैं, दिस इज बी एंड दिस इज सी। सो tan A is given 4/3. So 4 और 3 का ट्रिपलेट कितना है?
Five.
5, right. The third number is 5. Now we have to find cos A. So cos A होता है adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what you are getting?
3/5.
3/5. Very good. So the correct option is
Option A.
right. So now we are moving toward the next question. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equals to 1, then the value of sin A. Tan 1 कौन सा एंगल में होता है?
45.
1045.
राइट। सो यहाँ पे हम लोग को एंगल ए मिल गया 45 डिग्री, राइट। अब यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट करो, 2 sin 45 डिग्री cos 45 डिग्री। सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 45 डिग्री?
1/2.
राइट, 1/√2. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 45 डिग्री? 1/√2. राइट, सो √2 2 हो जाएगा, 2/2. फाइनली वी आर गेटिंग 1 ओनली,
1.
राइट। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी।
Option B.
अभी यही वाले क्वेश्चन को कई लोग क्या करते हैं, tan A 1 दिया हुआ है तो ट्रायंगल मेथड से हाइपोटेन्यूज निकालेंगे, उसके बाद यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। तो वैसा नहीं करना है। अगर एंगल यहाँ पे निकल जा रहा है तो एंगल को डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, राइट। बिकॉज दिस इज MCQ ना, स्टेप्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, स्टेप्स दे विल नॉट मैच। अगर सब्जेक्टिव रहता है तो वो लोग मार्किंग स्कीम से स्टेप्स को कंपेयर करते हैं। सो यहाँ पे वो वाला कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सो यू कैन एनी शॉर्टकट मेथड यू कैन यूज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 17, गिवन 15 cot A is equals to 8। तो यहाँ पर भी मैं वही ट्रिपलेट वाला मेथड बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है। सो 15 cot A, तो यहाँ पे A है, ये B और C। सो 15 8/15, 8/15 मीन्स एडजेसेंट अपॉन ऑपोजिट, राइट। और 15 8 का जो थर्ड
17.
नंबर होता है 17।
17.
वेरी गुड, 17 मिल गया। आप साइन ए निकालना है। सो साइन ए हो जाएगा 15/17। सो विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन?
Option D.
ऑप्शन डी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे है ही नहीं है, राइट। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। In a triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equals to 25 centimeter and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter। तो देखेंगे यहाँ पर, मैं पूरा सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन, ध्यान से देखो। यहाँ पे right angled at Q दिया हुआ है, this is Q, okay, and this is PR and PQ is given 5। 5 के साथ में जो ट्रिपलेट होता है वो होता है 12 और 13, और 12 और 13 का सम यहाँ पे 25 होता है। सो विदाउट यू सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट दिस इज 12 and 13 the longest side hypotenuse। whether this trick is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right, अगर सॉल्व करने के लिए बैठोगे तो फिर you will waste your 5 minutes। okay, so what is the sign P here? यहाँ पे P है, so opposite is 12 and hypotenuse is 13। so the correct answer is 12 upon
Option D.
right। Here also the option is not given, so none of this, right। so now we are moving toward question number 19। in a triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PQ is equals to 3 centimeter and PR is equals to 6 centimeter, then angle QPR is equals to dash। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक रफ फिगर बना लेते हैं, okay। so right angled at Q दिया हुआ है, so this is Q, so we are going to take P and R, right, and the value of PQ is given 3 and PR is given 6। okay, so angle P के रेस्पेक्ट में ये वाला कौन सा साइड है?
Adjacent.
adjacent, and this is hypotenuse, right। so angle P जो है and means is cos of angle P, cos of angle P we are getting 3/6, that is 1/2। तो cos में 1/2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Cos
Cos 60 degree.
60 डिग्री, वेरी गुड। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज
Option D.
ऑप्शन डी, राइट। अगर मान लो R निकालना होता तो हम लोग विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू R दिस इज ऑपोजिट एंड दिस इज हाइपोटेन्यूज, सो 3/6 साइन लेते हैं हम लोग। दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Now we are moving toward question number 20। If sine of A minus B is equals to 1/2, cos of a plus b is equals to 1 upon 2, then the value of a and b respectively are. So sin में 1 upon 2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Sin 30 degree.
30 डिग्री. So a minus b is equals to हो जाएगा 30 डिग्री. एकदम डायरेक्ट करना है, यहाँ पे कोई स्टेप्स नहीं लिखना है. एंड cos में 1/2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
60 degree.
60 डिग्री, राइट. सो a plus b हो जाएगा 60 डिग्री. नाउ इफ यू ऐड दिस टू एंगल, अगर ये दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो b कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड वी आर गेटिंग 2a is equals to 90 डिग्री. डिग्री का सिंबल नहीं लिख रहा हूं मैं. सो a is equals to 45 डिग्री. So a is equals to 45 degree. So what is the value of b?
15 degree.
15 degree, right. So correct option is
Option A.
option A, right. Now we are moving toward question number 21. If sine of a minus b is equals to 1 and cos of a plus b is equals to 1, then the value of a and b respectively are. ठीक है, तो ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करना है. This is minus and this is plus, right? Sin of a plus b is equals to 1, cos of a minus b is equals to 1. अब sin में 1 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Sin 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 डिग्री. So a plus b हो जाएगा 90, right? And cos में 1 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Cos 0 degree.
0 degree.
Right. So a minus b is equals to 0 हो जाएगा. So if you add, you will get 2a is equals to 90. So what is the value of a?
45 degree.
45 degree. So what is the value of b?
45 degree.
45 degree. Right. Very good. So the correct option is
Option
Option
D.
D.
option D. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. If tan of a minus b is equals to 1 upon root 3 and tan of a plus b is equals to root 3, then the value of a and b respectively are. So tan में 1 upon root 3 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Tan
30
30 degree.
degree.
Right. So a minus b हो जाएगा 30 डिग्री. And tan में root 3 कौन सा एंगल में होता है?
Tan
60
degree.
degrees.
60 degree. So a plus b will be equals to 60 degree. Right. So if you add these two angle, these two equation, we are getting 2a is equals to 90. So what is the value of a?
45 degrees.
45 degree. So what will be the value of b?
15 degrees.
15 degree. Right. So the correct option is
Option A.
Option A.
option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 23. Cos of a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2 and sin of a plus b is equals to 1. Then the value of a and b respectively are dash. So cos में root 3 by 2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Cos 30 degree.
30 डिग्री. So a minus b हो जाएगा 30. डिग्री का सिंबल नहीं लिख रहा हूँ मैं. एंड साइन में 1 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Sin 90 degree.
90 डिग्री. राइट. सो a plus b is equals to 90 हो जाएगा. Now what we have to do, we have to add these two equation. So if you add, you will get 2a is equals to 120. So what is the value of a?
60 degree.
60 degree. So what will be the value of b?
30 degrees.
30 degrees. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. The value of 2 cos 60 degree and plus 3 sin 45 degree minus 3 sin square 30 degree plus 2 cos square 90 degree. सब में square है. So cos 60 कितना होता है?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So this will become 1 by 4. And what is sin 45 degree?
1 by root.
1 by root 2. तो उसका square 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. And sin 30 degree
1 by 2.
उसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 1 by 4. एंड cos 90
0.
0 छोड़ दे रहा हूँ उसको मैं. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू गेट, सी दिस विल बी 1 by 2 फर्स्ट वन and next one is plus 3 by 2 and the last one is minus 3 by 4. ठीक है. अगर एलसीएम हम लोग लेते हैं, so what we are going to get, see LCM is 4 and 2 plus 6 minus 3. So how much we are getting?
5 by 4.
5 by 4.
5 by 4. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. So now we are moving toward the next question. 25 question sin A is equals to cos A is true when A is equals to
45 degree.
45 degree, right? Because sin 45 1 by root 2 होता है, cos 45 भी 1 by root 2 होता है. Next, value of theta for sin 2 theta is equals to 1 where theta lies between 0 and 90 degree. ठीक है, 0 से 90 तक ले सकते हैं थीटा का वैल्यू. सो साइन में 1 कौन से एंगल में आता है?
90 degree.
90 degree. So 2 theta is equals to 90. So what is the value of theta?
45 degree.
45 degree. So correct option is C. Now we are moving toward the next question, 27. Root over 1 plus tan square theta is equal to dash. 1 plus tan square theta एक identity है, then that is equals to sec square theta. So उसका root हो जाएगा sec theta. So this is the correct answer, D. Now we are moving toward the next question, 28th question. A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Cot B is equals to 3 by 4. Then tan A is equal to dash. So ध्यान से देखो, कई लोग ये कमेंट किए थे कि ये वाला जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल से रिलेटेड है, तो मैं उसको विदाउट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल समझा रहा हूँ. ध्यान से देखो, अगर A प्लस B जो है 90 है, so what is the value of angle C?
90 degree.
90 degree, right? Fine, very good. So ध्यान से देखो, cot B is 3 by 4. So cot B is 3 by 4 adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is cot tan A then?
3 by 4.
3 by 4 only, right? So whether it is this question is related with only complementary angles?
No sir.
No,
No, sir.
we can solve by using this method also, right? So the correct answer is
Option A.
ऑप्शन ए, राइट. अभी सब लोग इसको कैसे बता रहे थे बता रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. बी वी कैन राइट 90 माइनस ए, है ना, 90 माइनस ए, क्योंकि ए प्लस बी यहाँ पर कितना दिया हुआ है? 90. So b will be 90 minus a, and cot 90 minus a is tan a, and this is nothing but this is 3 by 4. They are dealing with this solution, some of them. So they told that this is out of syllabus, but if you can solve it by using this method also, right? So answer is 3 by 4. Correct option is A. Now we are moving toward 29th question. थीटा का वैल्यू 0 और 90, 0 से 90 तक लेंगे. So what is the maximum value of sin theta? 1. So cosec theta का भी जो maximum value है वो 1 हो जाएगा. This is clear?
Yes.
Right, because 1 upon cosec theta is nothing but that is sin theta. So sin theta का वैल्यू भी maximum value 1 होगा, cosec का भी 1 होगा. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. लेकिन एक चीज है, cosec, what is sin 0 degree?
0 degree.
0 degree. तो cosec 0 degree कितना होगा?
Not defined.
Not defined. Actually that is infinity. ठीक है. So cosec का हम लोग we can't say that it is maximum 1 value. So that is why I made this question as 1 upon cosec theta, थोड़ा सा confuse करने के लिए. So 1 upon cosec theta is nothing but sin theta, and we know that the maximum value of sin theta between this range is 1. So the correct option is 1. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 30. If cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 cos किस में, कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Cos 60 degree.
60 degree, right? And sin phi is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 कौन सा एंगल में आता है? sin में
30 degree.
30 degree. So what is theta plus phi?
90 degree.
90 degree. So the correct option is C.
Option.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 31. Tan of 3x plus 30 degree is equals to 1. Then x is equals to dash. So tan में 1 कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Tan 45 degree.
Right, tan 45 degree. So 3x plus 30 is equals to 45. So if you shift 30 to this side, degree का symbol नहीं लिख रहा हूँ मैं. So you will get 45 minus 30. That is 15. So what is the value of x?
5.
5, right. So the correct option is D.
Option D.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 32. X into tan 45 into cos 60 is equals to sin 60 into cot 60. Then x is equals to dash. So we will substitute all the values. Tan 45
1.
1, cos 60
1
1
by
by
2.
2.
1 by 2, and sin 60
Root 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
root 3 by 2, and cot 60
1
1
by
by
root 3.
3.
1 by root 3. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. This root 3 will be cancelled, and this also cancel, and what we are going to get, x is equals to
1.
1.
One.
This is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 33. If 3 cot A is equals to 4 by 3, then the value of cos square A minus sin square है. तो इसको भी हम लोग वही शॉर्टकट तरीके से करेंगे हम लोग. So एक ट्रायंगल बना लेंगे, right, and this is A, B, C. Here right angle is there, and cot A is given 4 by 3. So 4 adjacent by opposite. So ये कितना होगा? Triplet
5.
5. Very good. So cos square cos A कितना होगा बताओ?
4 by 5.
4 by 5.
4 by 5. So उसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 16 by 25. And what is sin A?
3 by
3 by 5.
3 by 5, right. So these two are like fraction. So we will subtract only the numerator, that is 16 minus 9 by 25. So what we are going to get?
7 by 25.
7 by 25. Very good. So now we are moving toward question number 34. If cos 30 degree is equals cos 3 theta is equals to 1, then theta is equals to dash. So cos का value 1 कौन से एंगल में होता है?
Cos 0.
0.
cos 0, राइट. लेकिन यहाँ पर यहाँ 2 के साथ मल्टीपल है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले 2 को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे. कई लोग ऐसे ही स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कि 1 का वैल्यू, ये 2 देखते नहीं है, एंड दे विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट 0 इज नॉट गिवन. सो क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग. ओके, सो 2019 में ऐसा हुआ था. cos 3 theta is equals to 1 by 2. Now what is the value of angle in which cos is 1 by 2?
Cos
60 degree.
60 degree. So 3 theta is equals to 60 degree. So what is the value of theta?
20 degrees.
20 degree, right. So the correct option is option
Option
A,
C.
C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 35. If sine 2 theta is equals to root 3, so theta is dash. So sine 2 theta हो जाएगा root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. And sine के कौन सा एंगल में root 3 by 2 होता है?
Sine 60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Right. So 2 theta हो जाएगा 60 degree. 2 theta will be 60 degree. So what is the value of theta?
30
30
degrees.
degrees.
30 degree, right. So this is the correct answer. So now we are moving toward question number 36. If root 3 tan 2 theta minus 3 is equals to 0, then theta is equals to dash. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, minus 3 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, so it will become plus 3. So tan 2 theta root 3 tan 2 theta is equals to 3. So फिर ये 3 को हम लोग इससे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, and we are getting root 3. Okay, so root 3 tan के कौन सा एंगल में आता है?
Tan 60 degrees.
60 degree. So 2 theta is equals to 60 हो जाएगा. So what is the value of theta?
30 degrees.
30 degree, right. So the correct option is B. So now we are moving toward question number 37. Tan x is equals to 3 cot x. Then x is equals to dash. So we will write cot x as 1 upon tan x first. Right. So tan x is equals to 3 upon tan x हो जाएगा. Now if you cross multiply, you will get tan square is equals to 3. So tan x will be root 3. और root 3 कौन से वैल्यू में आता है tan में?
Tan
60 डिग्री. ये समझ में आया ना? स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, फिर स्क्वायर रूट ले लेंगे. So 60 degree is the correct answer. So A bit is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 38. The value of sine 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree is dash. What is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. What is cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. What is cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. And what is sin 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Right. So what we are getting? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. ठीक है. So we will get 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. and 1 by 2 is not given in the option. So correct answer is
Option D.
option D, that is none of this. Now we are moving toward question number 39. If sin A is equals to 1 by 2, then the value of 3 cos A minus 4 cos cube A is dash. So sin A 1 by 2 कौन से एंगल में होता है?
Sin
Sin
30
30
degrees.
degrees.
राइट. एंड व्हाट इज, सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ए में 30 डिग्री सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे. सो cos 30 इज √3/2. सो यहाँ पे √3/2 आ जाएगा माइनस 4 cos क्यूब ए. सो √3/2 का क्यूब, √3 का क्यूब कितना होगा? 3√3.
9.
ठीक है, √3 इंटू √3 इंटू √3 एंड 2 का 8. सो ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया. सो बोथ टर्म्स आर सेम, 3√3/2. सो व्हाट इज आंसर?
0.
0.
0.
So this is the correct option A. Now we are moving toward the last question, 40th question. If 3 tan A is equals to 4, then the value of 3 sin A plus 2 cos A upon 3 sin A minus 2 cos A. So यहाँ पे देखो tan A का वैल्यू जो है 4/3 हो जाएगा. Right? Now what we will do, we will divide न्यूमरेटर और ईच टर्म बाय cos A. सो सभी को अगर cos A से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हम लोग को मिल जाएगा 3 tan A माइनस प्लस 2 अपॉन 3 tan A minus 2. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now substitute the value of tan in this expression. So we are getting 3 into 4/3 plus 2 and 3 into 4/3 minus 2. See, 3 cancel in both the numerator and denominator, first term, and we are getting here 4 plus 2 6, and the denominator we are getting 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 6/2. What is the final answer?
3.
3. And the correct option is
Option C.
option C. So this is the last question of today's session. So in the next session we will do the MCQ of probability from others, the third section, the third part. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.